Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you that how you can change sharing restrictions on Google Drive. So for that, first of all, open any of the web browser you have on your PC. Like I've opened this Chrome, and then go to the search bar and search for Google Drive. So type for that, and once you've done, click on enter, and this is the link which you'll want to click on. And now here, just click on sign in and sign in with your Google account, or if you have already signed in your Google account, when you click on sign in, it will just redirect you to the Google Drive dashboard. Now you'll be able to see that this is the document, so you have to click on these three dots over here. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see this option known as share. So click on that and then click on share again, and it will load, and after that you'll have to write down the people, groups or calendar events with who you want to share this folder with, or you can even click on this. Now you can see that the restriction is restricted, that only people with the access can open the link. So you can either write down the email of the people who you want to have access with, or click on restricted and click on anyone with the link. So any person who has the access to this link or even has the link is able to edit the file. You can even click on copy link in order to send it to your friends. So it's very easy. So that is how you can change sharing restrictions on Google Drive. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.